Look at these ads. Some of these ads are currently generating at 5x, 7x, and 10x ROAS, and 100% of them are made with AI. And I use one tool and only 4 steps to make them. And today, I'm helping you be able to do the exact same thing, starting with the tool I use, Imaginative. So here we are on this tool, and this AI tool allows you to be able to generate perfect static ads that will convert like crazy in your Meta ads. And I'm gonna show you how you can set up this tool and be able to generate ad creatives very quickly. So let's go ahead and sign in. And once signed in, you'll see a dashboard like this. And this is where we can start to develop our brand kit for our static ads to make ads like the ones I showed you. So all I'm gonna do is go to our website and choose one of our products that we want to end up testing this tool with. So I'm gonna go to our grit product and I'm going to copy this URL. And I'm gonna go back to the tool and I'm going to paste this URL for step number 1 in our ad creative generator. And what this is going to allow us to do is it's going to connect to our Shopify store. It's going to scan the entire website for all of the data. It's going to pull the product images. It's going to extract all the product descriptions and build a file around what it's learned from your site. And then it's going to run through an ad copy generator where it scans Reddit, Amazon reviews, and your actual website reviews to gather all of the things that other people are saying online and what your competitors are being told about their products from their reviews, and be able to generate ad copy that is framed around what people are looking for as a solution to the problems with their product. So for this instance, we have a men's hair care product. So it's going to be able to identify what the core issues are with hair care products out there and generate ad copy around that so it's hyper relevant. So let's go ahead and let this connect and build our brand kit. So as you can see, it pulled all of our website product images. We have model photos, we have different product images here, and we're going to select a clear product image shot. You can also upload your image here for the best possible high resolution image that you would like. And then we just hit continue. And as you can see, it pulled in our exact brand colors from our website that we have already, and it pulled in our fonts that we use on our site as well. So what we're going to do next is just double check it. And if you want to swap out your fonts, you can literally change them here. And then essentially from here, we can just hit continue and go to the next step. And during this step, we can choose either top of funnel, middle of funnel, or bottom of funnel ad copy that is going to be shown on the ad creative. So if you want to create ads that are going to go to cold traffic, you should use the attract feature. If you want to send ads to people who are comparing your product against another product because they're just deciding which hair paste to go with, you would choose this option. And if you are trying to get somebody to convert where they've visited your website, added to cart, you would go with this option. So let's start with attract and hit continue, and you'll be able to see all of the different ad formats here. And we have both the 9x16 and the 1x1s. And what's great about this tool is these ad creatives have already been proven to convert. So what we can do is select which options we want. So I'm gonna select a POV style creative. I'm gonna select a review creative, a DM story reply. And these are really great because this is a real POV shot that looks like it was taken on an Instagram photo, which makes it extremely authentic. It resonates with the audience, and it's really hard to distinguish that this is AI. And it's essentially somebody asking a question and somebody replying to it. And then we have the review showcase, which is showing the main product and a review next to it with a lifestyle image, which this version absolutely converts. Then we have the POV story, which is a DM reply. Somebody comments on your story and you reply back. This is also a great format. Another UGC format that works really well is the notes-based format. Every single time somebody tests this notes-based format, we always see it get 3, 4, 5x ROAS. And then we have a breakdown of what's in the product and how it works. We have a product comparison, which is great for comparing your product against another competitor's. And then we have a lifestyle image, and we have a features and benefits based image, as well as a customer review based image. So we can go ahead and select some of these, and we can begin to generate them and get our ads in a matter of seconds. So let's go ahead and hit generate. So I'm gonna generate 15 different ads, and once these are done generating, I can literally download these and have 15 extra ads in a matter of minutes to launch into Meta. And the best thing about this is if you find a variation that you like, you can create 3 variations of it, you can create 6 variations of it, you could create all of these formats. And we know based off of our previous video that we just shared last week was Well, you want to have top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel creatives all inside of your ad sets so that way you can maximize performance. So you want to make sure every ad creative is totally unique. And so let's go ahead and let this generate our ads and see what it comes up with. Oh, these would easily do 3, 5, 7, 10x ROAS. And think about it, you can generate 50 of these, launch them into your ads manager into AI creative testing. You have way more statics than you normally could produce, and it pumps results. We have multiple clients right now using this. All of them are getting some of their best ROI. There's over 100 people using this, but from our clients, I've seen 12 with the ads in their ad account. And all of them are wow, this actually outperformed everything I did. No, you can do variations of it. So you could take this and hit regenerate 3 split test versions. And you can do different backgrounds, different products. Think about 50 times 50 for every product. And you can also do it with models. Yeah, you can choose different products, different models, and get different outputs. You can change the ad copy, you can change everything. This is crazy. I literally don't think people realize how powerful this can be. All right, so now it's generated all 15 of our ads, and this is absolutely insane because look at all of these different versions that we just got from this in a matter of minutes. Now, here's what's so crazy about this tool. We built our brand kit, which keeps all of our ad creatives on brand. You can see literally the yellow is staying in all of the different formats. If somebody was to see one ad and then see 2 more of your other ads, they're going to recognize it's your product and brand because the brand palette stays perfect, which is why this tool is so effective. And it uses a different path than what your normal ChatGPT, Claude, or Nano Banana Pro uses, where it ends up rewriting your copy or changing your actual font on your product. This tool keeps your product exactly as is. And what's so insane is we have all of these formats. So let's go through them. We have our notes-based format, which we know absolutely crushes it. It says, I'm ditching synthetics for grit, thickens fine hair, resists sweat and humidity, 7 real ingredients, and reworkable natural finish. That is a perfect notes-based, UGC-based ad that we can launch. We have our customer review, which was directly pulled from our reviews on our website. Natural hold, real results, and it says, this grit keeps my hair perfectly styled and feeling healthy. And the beeswax holds through sweat and humidity without any stiffness, which is absolutely incredible. And look, our AI person is holding the product perfectly. And we have our product here. We scroll down. This is a POV creative. This looks so real. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Somebody's holding the product in their bathroom where they would literally be applying this to their hair. And it says, my hair used to fall flat and get greasy fast. Grit keeps it looking thick and styled all day naturally. Clean ingredients, serious hold, and it's a game changer. Then we have another review, which was pulled from the site. I finally found a natural product that holds my style and thickens fine hair even through sweat. We have the DM reply, which is somebody replying to your story. Hey, what's that hair product you've been using? And then the person breaking it down. We have another version, natural hold, that works hard. And as you can see, nothing was changed about the product. It was pasted on perfectly with shadows, 7 real ingredients. We have our features and benefits based ad for a clean hold and lasting style. We have the different hair icons for all of the key callouts we want. We have a lifestyle based image where it has the comb, it has a fragrance, we have our product here, we have somebody holding it with another review. We have our product comparison, which is normal hair goo, it has mystery chemicals, it melts with sweat, greasy stiff feel, and then we're positioning our product as the hero with our actual 819 reviews on our site. And then we have this POV shot of literally a guy holding the product in the mirror with perfect consistency. So all of these ads we can immediately launch into ad sets, and we can create variations. Maybe we like this specific version and we want to create a 3 split test variation where it creates 3 different copy options with 3 different styles. We can come back in here and create AI freestyles, ingredient based. We can do all of these other versions that we haven't even tried yet as well. And the best part about this is you can test this with multiple different products. After these start working, you can come back and generate even more variants and batches of this. You can come in here and be able to launch other products that you offer in retargeting and get a ton of different retargeting ads by switching to a different method. And we can even use models on this. So now what we can do is download all of these creatives and be able to move to the next step. And another amazing thing about this tool is you can show multiple different images and you don't just have to use one for this generator. We can come back to these previous steps, switch it to a model-based path, and the AI will generate totally different versions with our model literally putting his hands in his hair and rubbing the product through. And so maybe we want to use a different one for people who are already considering our product. we hit continue, and we can come back in here and choose a couple of different angles here, like our POV, our DM story, and choose our lifestyle and use, as well as a special offer we have from our website, and hit generate. And then it's going to leverage that model and use that exact image in our ad creative. So you can test multiple different models that you have, you can reimagine different products, and be able to generate as many ad creatives as possible. The goal would be to be able to leverage this tool every week to generate 10, 15 extra creatives. And as you can see here, literally it generated that exact ad with this model image right here. So this looks more natural for a story reply. Like, okay, I keep seeing grit everywhere. It is actually worth the hype. And we can even come back, change the ad copy to switch it so that way we can use a different version here. And maybe you want multiple versions of this to see which variation will convert best. And I recommend downloading all of these and testing them in an ad set titled AI so you can see how this outperforms other creatives that you post naturally. And there we go, we got another up close lifestyle shot. We got another POV angle of opening the product. And what's cool about this AI tool is it goes and checks all of your site images. So if there's an image showing the insides of the container, it's going to reference that when generating this. So that way it's on brand and is relevant to what it is showing and hyper realistic whenever it puts it out there. I mean, I couldn't tell you if this was AI or not just by looking at this image. And then we go, we got our actual discounted offer here as well, which is directly pulled from the website once again. And this is going to be great for a retargeting ad. And here's another one, which is with that exact model that we were referring to earlier, built with grit, command your style with nature's resilient hold. And so these are all different ad styles and unique formats that are totally different from one another. You can go back to your brand kit, change the colors to black, blue, whichever colors you want to be able to generate even more variations. And this is absolutely stellar. Here's another one of somebody holding the product. 7 natural ingredients, real hold, has the ingredients pulled from their website, making it hyper realistic and relevant. And then another version, which is Discover Grit, we have the reviews, elevate your everyday style with Grit's natural hold. And then tired of flat hair and synthetic products, that is a problem solution based ad. And it shows all of the ingredients right next to it. So I highly recommend being able to generate as many creatives as possible using this. Now, for the next step, we're not done here. Now we're going to take all of these images and be able to get our 5 primary text ad copy, our 5 headlines, our 5 subdescriptions, and our 5 offers. So that way we have all of the ingredients to launch extremely high ROAS ads. So all we got to do now is download our zip file from all of these creatives. And now we have all of our ads in this zip that we can upload into our ads manager. And then what we can do is go to our ad copy tool. We can paste in our URL and hit generate. And it's going to analyze Reddit, Amazon, reviews, your website, competitors, and find out all of the core problems people are facing with hair care products for men and be able to identify and literally generate ad copy around the most common objections to craft something that truly converts. And it uses multiple different proven conversion frameworks that have been trained on thousands of ads that have been running for hundreds of days in the ads managers. All right, so now it's generated our ad copy variations. We have a parent user testimonial with 819 reviews averaging 4.5 stars. Grit is making its mark among gentlemen who prioritize performance and clean ingredients. That's a very powerful statement. We know you want styling that works without the worry of harsh chemicals or a greasy feel. So this is one of the most common objections that this AI copy tool was able to find online and was able to work that into your ad copy, which makes it mass market appeal. And that's why Grit is crafted with just 7 natural ingredients like nourishing shea butter, which is pulled from their website, and oil absorbing bentonite clay. It is designed to deliver medium hold and a natural semi-matte finish, which is hyper specific, keeping your hair looking sharp and feeling healthy all day. And then we have a strong CTA. So we can copy that variation and start to use it with all of our different ad formats. Number 2, we have a relatable problem and solution story. Tired of hair products that promise hold but leave you feeling stiff, greasy, or full of questionable chemicals? That's a great question. Or worse, they can't just stand up to the sweat and humidity when your day gets real. These are real problems people are facing. And so we say we get it and are leveling with them. That's why we created Grit. This isn't your average pomade. Just by having these ad copies and ad creatives alone, and you're able to launch an additional 20 to 50 of these every single week, it is going to have a dramatic impact on your results. Here's a before and after transformation. Imagine no more battling with heavy, greasy hair products that leave your scalp irritated or style falling flat by midday. Common problem that people are mentioning on Reddit and Amazon, that their hair products aren't holding throughout the entire day. Now imagine a styling routine that leaves you with hair feeling healthy, natural, and holding. Then we have our benefit stack. This ad copy version alone, from a ton of people who have been testing it, it becomes their most used ad copy because it just converts so well. It breaks down all of the core reasons why this product works. And I can literally show you just an example in Garden Alchemy. They are doing literally 600K months, and their most impression viewed ad is literally AI copy generated from this exact tool. And just going back here, we have our story driven, which is meet hardworking gentleman who demands more from his grooming. He's tired of hair products. This is an I statement. It's a story that's relatable. Then we have our headlines: stop greasy hair today, no more sticky hair, chia butter for healthy hair, 7 natural ingredients. These are all 5 ad copy variations we need to give Meta. Then we have our sub headlines, and then these offers are all pulled from the website. So free shipping on orders over 65 plus, you can literally see that was taken directly from the site. And then we have satisfaction guaranteed, sign up and save 15% on your first order. So they have a pop-up on their website that has that offer, which is why this tool is recommending it. So it doesn't come up with random offers for you. It keeps everything on brand and makes sure to reference your site for all of the context. It takes all of your images to craft the perfect ads, and then it researches all of your competitors out there and finds out what the most common problems are to work it into all of your ad angles and ad copy angles. So now we can copy all of this and be able to generate ads inside of our ads manager and start testing. We can then come back to this tool and test with other products for retargeting. We can come back to this tool and change our brand kit colors to test out different variations and different styles. We can generate multiple split tests of different ad creatives to be able to generate a few extra 100 ads every single month on autopilot in a matter of minutes. Imagine never having to go back to Canva, Photoshop, and be able to try to match your brand and have brand drift, and be able to do it in a matter of minutes versus hours, not having to pay designers or big shoots for photos. And the creatives are so hard to tell that they're even AI generated, that they're working so effectively in the ads manager these days. And I literally have showed you over 12 different clients that have all of their highest converting ads in here from this exact tool. And with these ads, what I like to do is pair them with UGC. When you see my clients' ad accounts with 1,000 plus ads running, that is exactly how we were doing it. We were maximizing AI creatives, actual statics they made, real videos with AI UGCs. So that way we can cover every touch point needed. Branded assets, AI statics made with imaginative, UGC from hundreds, if not thousands of commission-only creators. And I'll show you exactly how you can onboard thousands of creator videos so that way your AI images are automated and your UGC production is fully automated in this next video here. I look forward to seeing you there.